Synesthesia is briefly mentioned in mapping the mind. It is the process in which one sense is perceived by one, or rarely, two additional senses. There are many possible combinations of senses that can make a person a synesthete. In mapping the mind, apoptosis during brain development may lead to an incomplete sculpting of the brain. Because of this, apoptosis may lead to a crossover of senses. About 5% of our population has this condition. This number may be higher, but testing for all of the different kinds of synesthesia and their variants is extremely difficult and complicated. It is unknown what parts of the brain are the true cause of it. Some research likes to point to the limbic system or the cerebral cortex. It is also theorized that synesthesia is hereditary. However, speculation has made some people believe that this is more of a learned response to environments. Because of how synesthesia is thought to develop, it has been related to a baby's neural connections. Until apoptosis begins to structure the brain, it is thought that all babies are sensinites. Joint perception means that when one sense is experienced, another sense will respond as well. These perceptions are all involuntary, projected, durable, generic, memorable, and emotional. Involuntary means that this perception is not an active thought. Synesthetes do not go out of their way to connect two senses. Projected means that whatever sense is being shown, the person sees it outside their own heads. To them, the additional perceived sense is physical and not just mental. By being durable and generic, an experience must be the exact same way every time it is perceived, and it is not perceived as a complex perception. Synesthetes will remember the perception more than the object perceived, and any of these perceptions can cause emotional reactions. For example, a person may see a certain color and feel instantly sad. Most people with this condition are women and left-handed. These people pass neurological tests with very normal results. Famous people from our history that have experienced synesthesia are Vincent van Gogh, Marilyn Monroe, and Duke Ellington. Their careers are very telling of this condition. Synesthetes are known to be much more creative because of their mind's way of connecting perceptions that would usually not be connected. Synesthetes are more likely to work in a creative environment. They are usually seen as creative geniuses when examined because of how they contribute to their field.